In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on ChatGPT on PC. By the end, you'll be confidently up and running in just a few minutes. First, open any web browser on your PC. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Use whichever you prefer and keep it updated for the best performance and security. Make sure your internet connection is stable and consider closing extra tabs so the setup feels smooth and distraction-free. If your browser asks to restore a previous session, you can skip that for now. Next, go to the official ChatGPT website by typing chatgpt.com directly into your browser's address bar, then press enter. Typing it in yourself helps you avoid lookalike sites. You'll know you're in the right place when the page loads with the ChatGPT sign in or sign up options. If the page doesn't load immediately, hit refresh or check that you typed the address correctly. You can also clear the address bar if a search engine took you somewhere else and re-enter the URL to go straight to the site. Once you're there, it's a good idea to bookmark the page so you can return with one click later. Now sign up using an email address, a Google account, or an Apple account. Choose the option that fits your preferences. If you use Google or Apple, you'll connect through a quick, secure prompt. If you choose email, enter your address, create a strong password, and follow any on-screen verification steps. You may be asked to confirm your email before continuing. Keep that tab open while you check your inbox so you can complete the process quickly. If prompted, review permissions and terms and continue. Two quick tips here. Use a password manager to keep your login safe and enable extra security options if they're available in your account settings. After you've signed in, you're all set. You'll land on the main ChatGPT interface with a text box at the bottom of the screen. That's where you can type your first message. If you're new, start simple, ask a question, or describe a task you want help with. You can always refine your request if the first response isn't exactly what you need. For quicker access next time, keep the tab pinned or set chatgpt.com as a bookmark on your bookmarks bar. That's it. Open your browser, go to chatgpt.com, and sign up with email, Google, or Apple. Follow these steps once, and you'll be able to turn on ChatGPT on your PC whenever you need it.